I'm gonna learn how to hold a phone today. Today, I'm gonna learn how to hold a phone right now. So, I was talking to Kashia, my community co parent, about some stuff that we wanted our daughters to do. And it dawned on me this download that I got. I got it downloaded on me. And then after I got the thought, my phone shut off, so I couldn't call her and tell her what I was thinking. But here's what it is. We think that we are being so responsible when we deny ourselves, our families, etc., the things that we desire for them, for us, especially for ourselves. We think we're being so responsible. But really, we're negating our own responsibility as creators of abundance in our own lives. We're responsible for expanding, for creating more love, more joy, expanding ourselves, expanding our world. And by denying those things, we're actually being irresponsible. We're negating our responsibility. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. No, I'm just kidding. We don't do shame. Abundance.